just the right hand on its own, then add this. It's the engine room, your left hand, okay? So today, we're just going to talk about playing a good solid left hand rock and roll rhythm. When you start getting good, you might start going. But when you're just learning, play it dead straight like that. I'm Rob B from Rebel Piano. This is week 4 of the Rock and Roll Toolkit, okay? And it's all about getting that engine going, getting the heartbeat of the rock and roll solid behind what you're doing, okay? So let's go to the overhead camera and get straight in to looking at what the left hand is going to do. Right, we're going to use this with the right hand, the slide which we talked about in the first week of the Rock and Roll Toolkit. If you can get that going with your right hand, the left hand, you could start by just playing a solid beat on the note C. So, that's starting to sound something like. Then add your thumb. Play the G note. Get that going. Then the thing to make it really move and become rock and roll is move your thumb up to the A there. And play it rock solid. You can start at this tempo and then speed it up. And rock and roll is usually a 12 bar, so after the first 4 bars of that, you go up to on the F, then back to the C, and then finally the G, F, C, but it's always keeping that rock solid rhythm going. Don't stop ever, but once you get it going, it's all about the relentlessness of it, okay? So, and then your left hand, see, once you've got that engine going, that power in your left hand, that the right hand becomes free to wander about and do interesting things. I know it's difficult when you're learning, you're thinking, oh, how am I going to get this going? But if you just train your left hand to do that, when you start getting good, you might start going. But when you're just learning, play it dead straight like that. And that will power your rock and roll, okay? Like I say, if it falls apart, keep going. Get that left hand going and then start to think about the right hand. You could just start by going like this with your right hand. So you're doing exactly the same movement. Then add the slide. And then start going. Anyway, that's the right hand. It's all about the left hand today. So just start by just playing a single note. Add the G. Then add the movement. And it's the movement that makes all the difference. see if you can get that going. Okay, I'm Rob B, Rebel Piano. We've learned how to do that. The blue note in week 1, week 2. The slide, be careful of your thumb skin. Then we learnt the Fats Domino triplets. And this week we're doing the rock and roll driving left hand. See you next week. Next week is the final touch. We're going to go back to Jerry Lee Lewis doing this. Really driving the rock and roll, okay? See you next week and stay happy, make music. See you soon. Bye. Bye.